What is that? Don't pick that up, honey. It's dirty. Come on, Daddy's waiting. Number. Phone number.
And the back is
It's Tuesday. Say hi sa here lang.
hi. I got my phone right now.
It's Tuesday, guys. Daddy is having his lunch break. So, sama kami lahat. Kami na talaga. Hindi kami lumabas ng kids kaninang umaga eh. Nag-shower ako, guys. Careful, ate. Wait, we have to wait for our turn. I don't know why Daddy crossed and it's red.
Me too. Maybe because there's NT.
There you go. Our turn. So, ayun. Nag-shower ako. And, yeah. So, yung mga kids ay naglalaro sa bahay. Alam niyo mga ating Daddy Mike, kailangan makalabas yung mga kids. Makalaghat ng fresh air. So, sama kami mag...
Guys, what's my position? Okay, now it's 6:06.
Okay. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Magsusushi yata.
Oh no, the Saturday.
Uy! Lin! Lini! Hey! Say hi!
Nice having guys. Guys, you wanna go?
Well, keep going.
Up shop.
Up shop, yeah. I think we have time for that.
Here we go. Again.
Hey! You just had some yesterday.
Wait.
We can keep doing that. We need like... What is it lang? What did you say? Push? Push later. You don't need to push now. Daddy Mike, hindi ba nila lang from bit pa more. Bit pa more. Diba dito op shop talaga so maraming books, DVDs. Are they closed? Oh, they're open. Huh? Okay. Tingin daw muna siya. Ate. Anong meron dito, babe? Wala silang masyadong pan-kids dito eh. Yan lang yung rack na sa loob. It's open.
I wanna go in.
You can go in. Okay. Size XS to small. Sana all. This is nice.
Mama,
Yes, Baba?
I'll leave my rock there when we come out. We'll go back.
Okay. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ang ganda, super white. Press ko ng kanyang tela. Itong meron. Magkano ba ito, babe? Tignan natin. 5. Oh, it's actually 3, 4, 5, or as priced. Okay. Yeah, you go with Daddy. Got something to eat here. Got ham, cheese, and tomato. We have to take the tomato out because you don't like tomato, do you?
I do.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Well, show me you eat it.
No. I don't like tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
I've got pork banh mi.
It looks
Oh, I
like
think I like.
it looks
the
like
other one.
salad.
Yeah, I know. I like the other one better lang. The one in the, you know, our friend, the Vietnamese.
Yeah.
And then napapisa ito pa ito for after ng lunch nila. Nag-stop kami doon sa Okay. Ayan, nakabili si Daddy Mike. Oh, brand new pa pala ito eh.
And guys,
Kanya nabili yung t-shirt.
and guys,
No.
and guys, look at my necklace.
$8 kaayo. Sus, Diyos ko Lord.
What's so slippery? And guys, I got swimming tomorrow. Even though it's the school holiday, I still got swimming. Yay! I like swimming.
Para bigalin. Buyagan naman ako eh.
Can I quickly have this box?
You gotta get soy sauce. Lenny, sit down.
And do I need to give you a song? What song do you want? That I know that you like.
Pearly shells.
My
Pearly shells. ocean.
Okay. I'll make one up for
Lily.
you about pearls. I'll make one up for you. I'll make one up for you.
Okay. Well, dito na kami guys. Pumili na rin ako ng floor wipes kasi gusto ko talagang gamitin to for the floors. Kailangan mabilis kami kasi si Daddy Mike ay babalik na ng kanyang work. So, bumili na rin ako ng popcorn palabas kasi nakasale. Ito lang, dalawa. Here they are. Let's go. Sago. Guys. What's this for, Bob?
My what?
Gawa tayo nitong popcorn nito. Triple butter. Oh yeah, I have to go. Stella. Alam niyo ba guys, so, kahapon, di ba sabi ko hindi na paramdam yung lalaki na nakabunggo sa amin. So, kahapon, while nandun kami sa park, nakatanggap ako ng miss ko, tapos text message kasi hindi ko nga nasagot, na yung insurance pala ng lalaking yun. So, alam niyo ba, di ba, ina-organize ko na lahat. We went through our insurance, tapos in-organize na, nagpa-quote na and everything. And ngayon, nagpaparamdam, hindi na siya nag-message sa akin, pero yung kumukontak sa akin ngayon is yung insurance niya. Sinasabi na, yun na nga, like, regarding doon sa aksidente na nangyari nung last Sunday, ganito, ganyan, kontakin daw sila para organize, ang tawag dito, ipaayos ng sasakyan at kung kailangan namin ng rental car ay i-organize daw nila. So ngayon, hindi ko pa natawagan. Here na. Oh, it's in the bedroom na. It's the bedroom. Hindi ko pa natawagan sila ulit. Yung tatawagan ko muna ngayon is yung insurance namin. Kasi, ibig sabihin nun, tinanong ko nga sa Daddy Mike kung ano yung gagawin natin. And sabi niya, tawagan na lang namin yung insurance namin. I-explain namin kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon na meron ng kumukontak sa amin ng insurance niya. So instead of yung insurance namin yung magpaayos, is sila na and see if we can cancel the existing claim na nilodge namin last week. And then, after kung okay sila, i-cancel and everything, then kukontakin ko yung RICQ, yun yung insurance ng lalaki na nakabangga sa amin. And then, we'll see from there kung ano yung mangyari. Ewan ko lang guys, kung meron naman talaga pala siyang insurance in the first place, bakit hindi niya, like parang pinrocess ka agad-agad? Bakit parang pinag-intay pa niya ng isang linggo bago ma-organize yun. So, I don't know. Ewan ko kung kakakuha lang niya ng insurance or whatnot. Kasi I don't think you can claim straight away kung apply mo lang ng insurance, diba? So, mayroon ka siguro siya insurance. Kaya lang, ewan ko, hindi niya per-process. So, ngayon, doble-doble na. So, tatawagan natin yung insurance natin and see kung ano yung sasabihin nila. Yun nga, sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's good din kasi, di ba yung insurance namin, yung pinadalhan nila sa amin ng kung saan nag-check ng sasakyan, they can't fix the car until Feb. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, hopefully this one, kung insurance niya, baka ma-fix nila sooner. So, tumawag ako kanang umaga. Nakalimutan ko, 8:30 pala sila mag-open na. Sobrang aga kong
Hi
tumawag.
there. Welcome to Stellar Insurance. If you're calling in relation to car insurance, please press 1. Can I help you?
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. My name is Jovi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
A few moments later.
May batang kumakain ng popcorn. Popcorn for more! So, ayun. Nakausap ko na yung insurance namin, guys. So, see? Nagiging tricky na ngayon. Kasi, kung hindi na sana siya nagparamdam, ay parang wala na kaming iisipin pa. But, because ngayon, tinatawagan kami ng insurance niya, kung tinatanong kami kung gusto ba naming ipaayos yung sasakyan through them. And, yung insurance namin, yung sinasabi naman, we will get in contact with the car place kung saan sila yung gumawa ng quote ng sasakyan, yung pinuntahan natin the other day. Kasi, they have to double check kung hindi pa sila nakapag-order ng parts para sa sasakyan namin. Which I doubt na they've ordered already. Kasi nga, diba, as mentioned, sabi nila, they can't fix the car until Feb next year. But, who knows? Kasi sabi nila, minsan matagal daw talagang dumating yung mga parts ng Nissan. And, yun yung dinodouble check nila ngayon. Apparently, tinawagan niya yung car place. Wala daw sumasagot. And, she just sent them an email. So, sabi niya, hintayin na lang natin yung reply nila kung i-confirm nila kung nakabili na sila ng parts or hindi pa. Kasi, kung nakabili na sila ng parts, unfortunately, mahirap nang i-cancel yung claim namin with insurance namin. Kasi, may parts na, diba? Kailangan, ano na yun, gamitin yun. Kung hindi pa naman, then, yeah, it's possible to cancel it kung hindi pa sila nakabili ng parts. Yung rason lang din namin kung bakit gusto namin gamitin din yung insurance. Kasi yun naman talaga dapat ang mangyari initially. Dapat yung insurance talaga ng lalaki at hindi sa amin. So, we're hoping na kung sila yung mag-fix na sasakyan namin ay hindi ganun katagal na dito sa kabila sa amin, sa insurance namin ay Feb. Hopefully, sooner than that. But there's no guarantee. Hindi ko muna i-contact yung insurance ng lalaking yun until meron kaming contact galing sa insurance namin na nandun na yung parts. Yes, La? Hmm? Water? Water?
Mommy.
Yes, Lini. Na, pag Miss Universe daw ka na. Go, move. And then you paso-paso here. Sige. Come on. Come on, Miss Universe. Number 4. Come on. Say your name. Say your name.
My name is Paris.
Say, Paris Nicole Mackenzie, represent.
Paris Nicole Mackenzie percent.
Representing.
Brisbane.
Brisbane talaga yung represent niya. Dito kami sa baba, guys. Kasi nasa meeting yung tatay niya. Very noisy itong dalawa.
Baby. Does she need food?
Is the baby okay?
It's baby dog.
Okay, next. Sige, paso na. You do the model walk. Okay, Celine stand.
Representing Brisbane.
Is it your baby?
Puppy.
Puppy.
I want to buy my scooter.
Okay, come. Kunin yung scooter para makapag-laro. Wala. Nangaunsa naman na sila. Nanghilak naman. Oh, Mama, hang on, babe. We'll see what we have in here, babe. Look, we'll see what's in here, babe. Lumba sila. Ay, hindi na mag-vlog. What is this?
Nothing.
Nothing. Uy, What is this, Lynn? What is it? What is it, Lynn?
Ice cream. A cream.
Atim! Okay. Hold this one. Hold. Mama will open. Hold.
Hi guys, I was just crying before because I hurt my head. It was right over there.
Oh, look, look. It's bent. Baby sack. Woo! Sack, Daddy. Tingnan niyo, guys. Tingnan niyo.
Apa?
Yung mukha niya. Wow! Ang buhok brag lion. Paapain mo.
Daddy, I have many.
Help my lady. Day after, it's Wednesday, guys. Swimming ni Ate Paris today. Una-una na iyang manghod, oh. 60 kayo. Alam niyo ba, last week hindi kami pumunta dito. Hindi ko inisip na hindi pala kasama tong school sa kanilang school holidays. Hindi ako pumunta. So absent si Ate Paris last week. Keep going. They took away the thing na, oh. Yeah, the roof. Ate Paris natin ay nandun na, guys. Swimming na. Tingnan niyo ang batang ito, oh. Mukhang unggoy, oh. Ayaw magpatulong. Okay. Sobrang init, guys. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang, skin, oh. Brown na. Oh, very hot. Done. Whoop. Ate is nearly finished na. Careful. Oh my God. Okay. Careful, please. La. Help? Mama, help? Yes, baby. What is it? Come on. Ate Paris graduated. Yay.
I really want to go to the
Then graduated from EO. Where's Ben? There we go. Ben, good job. Excellent. And you want to
What, you Paris?
Paris,
Your
you
turn.
also graduated from EO.
Yay.
Paris, congratulations.
What do you say?
We got a toy. I erased a thing.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, Mrs.
You share with Ate. Wow, show me.
I'm that.
Show me. Ooh, wow. Beautiful, Lini.
My second wish.
Dito kami sa members, guys.
My third wish.
Shh, Lini girl. We're eating out. Nandito
That
kami sa...
you and Celine and Mummy live forever. Happily ever after.
Here you go. Chicken curry, guys. Nandos. Ayan. Alam niyo ba kasi tawag dito, si Daddy Mike ay naka-holiday na yan siya. Wala siyang work tomorrow, Friday, and Monday. So, yeah. He will be with us, with the girls, for the next few days. Kaya Wednesday at dito kami sa labas kumain. Len,
Meow.